I have seen a lot of learners who are coming from different backgrounds and trying to are aspiring to become a data leader. One of the questions they ask that, okay, is it enough that I just understand the concepts? Do I really need to do and learn things hands on?
Hmm.
Right? So, what would be your answer to them? People's question is, do as a leader, do I really need to be hands on?
Yeah, so I think that's a very good question. I would say it depends because I'm kind of thinking through it. If you are hands-on, great. Okay, but here is the thing: you need to have a general understanding of what's going on in your environment. I know of an exec who's senior to me, and she still says she gets very excited to code. She wants to go and dabble with the data. Okay, so what I'm saying is have that space open. Don't make it a binary like I will either be hands-on or I won't, because data space is different. I think you will need to have a certain understanding. Have a open mind. I think what causes, I think in data field, if you become very rigid about, I will only build pipelines, or I will only build reporting, or I will only do data integration. Don't have that rigidity. Allow yourself to flow, because then you'll understand the whole ecosystem. Only then you can become a data leader. Like my executives, they assess how much of data is there, what can we do from a strategic standpoint. So that awareness will come automatically, right? Maybe they don't code as much as me, but they give you the trigger point. Hey, what about this? What about that? Can we do this? They'll kickstart things for you. So to that extent, have that open mind. Maybe because of your responsibilities and where you are, you might not code to that extent, but have a have that openness, because I think in the past, before two or maybe till early 2000s, you would say 5 years I'm a developer, then I'm a senior developer, then I become an architect, and now I'm a manager. Now I'm a manager, I don't have to do coding, so that's it, right? That doesn't work today, because the hierarchies have changed. It's all flat. You don't have too many layers. People, organizations don't want to have too many layers. They want more flatter. They want to be more nimble, more agile, right? They want turnaround. So have that exposure, have that mindset, adapt yourself. And I think that's the thing, you have to work internally. It's not going to come from outside. That once that perception change happens, things will open up for you. Otherwise, they will slot you and they will say you be a team lead for doing pipelines, and that's it. You'll never get to the next point. So open up, do as much as you can. Like honestly, I don't do AI ML that much hands-on because I don't know much. I know the concepts, but I have not used it, right? But if I get a chance, I will try it in my career. So have that openness, but be understandable of things. Very important, because as a data leader, you should know all aspects. They'll come at you in different angle.